Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, Kunti is remembering all the dangers that she had passed before gaining the kingdom. Kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranasati. These Pandavas, they are great devotees of Lord Krishna. And in the material world, because people are interested in material things, so they are put into so many dangerous conditions of life. That was the policy of Dhritarashtra, how to kill the sons of Pandu and usurp the kingdom for his own sons. That was the policy from the very beginning. But they are very obedient, because Dhritarashtra was their guardian. So Dhritarashtra constructed a house of lac. Lac means as soon as you touch one matchstick, immediately it takes fire. So he asked his nephews and sister-in-law Kunti that for some time you go, I have constructed a very nice house, you can go and live there. Vidur informed that this is the policy. Dhritarashtra wants you to burn into ashes by going there house. Duryodhana could understand that Vidur has already informed. Therefore he was very angry. These are politics. So, although they knew that this is the plan of my uncle to send into that house and set fire, but they agreed, yes, not disobedient to the order of the superior. In this way, the house was set into fire, but they digged a subway within that house and they escaped. So that is one incident. Another incident is giving them poison cakes when they were at home. That also they escaped. Then Purushada Darshana, they met one Hirimbi Rakshas, man-eater, demon. So Bhima fought with him and killed him. Similarly, Asat Sabhaya, in the assembly of Asat, Asat means those who are not gentle, not gentlemen. In the Sabha, in the assembly, there was Dhritarashtra, there was Bhishma Dev, Dronacharya, all elderly persons, and there was trick of playing chess. Somehow or other, Draupadi was taken as bet. Now, if we lose, then Draupadi is no longer our wife. It is up to you. They lost the game, so immediately Karna and Dushasana captured her. Now you are not your husband's, you are our property. We can deal with you as we like. So, Karna was insulted during Draupadi Sayambara. In the Sayambara means big princess, very qualified princess. They used to select her own husband. Just like in your country, the selection of husband is given to the girl as she likes. This is not very good for common. But those who are uncommon, highly qualified, one who knows how to select, to such girl the facility was given to select her husband, and under very strict condition. Just like Draupadi's father make it condition. There was a fish on the ceiling, and one has to pierce the eye of the fish, not directly seeing, but seeing the shadow in the water down. So, there were so many princes. As soon as such declaration is there, all the princes come to combat. That is Kshatriya principle. So, in that assembly of Draupadi Swayamvara, there was Karnas. Draupadi knew Draupadi's real purpose was to accept Arjuna as her husband. But she knew that Karna is there. If Karna competes, then Arjuna will not be able to succeed. Therefore, she said that in this competition, except the Kshatriyas, nobody can compete. That means Karna at that time was not known that he was a Kshatriya. He was the son of Kunti before her marriage. But people did not know. It was secret. So Karna was maintained by a carpenter. Therefore he was known as a Shudra. So Draupadi took advantage of this and said that I do not wish that any carpenters shall come here and compete. I don't want that. So Karna was not allowed. So Karna took it as great insult. Now when Draupadi was lost in the game, he was first of all forward. He was Duryodhana's great friend. Now we want to see naked beauty of Draupadi. So there were elderly persons in the meeting. Dhritarashtra was, Bhima was there, Dronacharya. Still they did not protest. Now, what is this? That you are going to make naked one lady in this assembly? They did not protest. Therefore, asasabhaya, assembly of uncultured men. Uncultured man wants to see a woman naked. But that has become a fashion nowadays. You see? A woman is not to be, not supposed not to be naked in anyone's before, except her husband. This is Vedic culture. But because these rascals wanted to see Draupadi naked in that great assembly, so they were all rascals. Asat. Sat means gentle, and asat means rude. So asat sabhaya, in that assembly of rudes, you said, Krishna said, Draupadi was being naked, her sari was being taken away, and the sari would not be finished. Krishna was supplying sari. So they became tired in trying to make her naked. And they never become naked. The heaps of clothes were stacked. They could understand it is impossible. And Draupadi was also first of all trying to save her cloth. And what sexy country she is woman. And there are two men, Karna and Dushasana was trying to make her naked. So she was crying and praying to Krishna, save my honor. But she was trying also herself to save. When she thought that it is impossible to save myself, my honor in this way, then he left the hand. She simply got up her arms and prayed, Krishna, if you like, can save. So this is the position. So long we try to save ourselves. That is not very good. If you simply depend on Krishna, Krishna, if you save me, that is all right. Otherwise, kill me as you like. You see? Maravi Rakhavi Jai Chakwa. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, I surrender unto you. Manasa deho geho jo kichu moro. My dear Lord, whatever I have got, my position, and what I have got this body, I have got my mind, I have got a little home, and my wife, my children. This is my position. So, manasa deho geho jo kichu moro. So, whatever I have got, this body, this mind, this wife, this children, this home, everything I surrender unto you. Manasa deho geho jo kichu. Otpinupu apade Nanda Kishora. Krishna is known as Nanda Kishore. So this is surrender. No reservation. Fully surrender. Akinchan. Therefore Krishna, a devotee is called Akinchan. No kinchana. Kinchana means something. Something reserved for me. Of course, actually that should be position, but still, in the material world, one should not imitate. But as Rupa Goswami has shown the path, that whatever position you have got, 50% for Krishna, 25% for the relatives. They also expect something. And 25% for personal emergency.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuddha habe shuniha sabara shoka dukkha je guchi bhe nachao prabhu Nachao se